Mbiamwatiga ebinyoro moko nganchira litangani esengenjo embwate mekutane mengi nabo getemambia korwigoro no twangene ambassador ya America aiga bosongo seito twakora litukolima mpaka botuko twaimo kabono mambia mu ambassador ogenda orenya gitari yeito twagenda bugirango tabaka koramagena na kolre kurworo naja koligereri tinkoleti bibanda biri byonse na ndekera dukora kurugaiga na tebere kromonta na bakwa unoene soda no mugati onyoma yakonyolera chingugo wika enjera yakonya yabalire nalega yando joko wonkyo mwana ay mogonki musacho oli tigoma omongna gonkyo mwana the Deputy Governor, the CC Agriculture CC President, the CEOs, my advisors, national government officials who could be available, the farmers and distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I'm privileged to join you during this important event in the celebrating the World Food Day. To the farmers, students, stakeholders, and the general public who have come to celebrate with us this important occasion, I take this opportunity to welcome you. This year's World Day theme is Right to Food for a Better Life and a Better Future. According to Food and Agriculture Organization, more than 3.1 billion people, which is 42% of the world population, are unable to afford a healthy diet, causing rising hunger and malnutrition. Children and women are often the most affected. In Gusii County, food insecurity is still rampant, with 70% of a household unable to afford 3 meals a day. It's unfortunate that we have rain, we have everything, our soil is not so bad that people can go without 3 meals a day. Towards this end, World Food Day is a day to raise awareness about the need to upscale food production, health eating habit, and uptake of balanced dieting. The main principle that World Food Day celebration is advancement of food security around the world, particularly in the times of the crisis. The United Nations established a Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, has played a significant role in moving this world goal forward. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an annual celebration serves as a reminder of the organization's significance and raises awareness of the critical and need of successful agricultural policies to be implemented by government all over the world to ensure there is enough food for everyone. Imperatively, food is a human right and a blessing from God. However, human decision, poor land policies, climate change, corruption, and land grabbing can lead to food shortage, and particularly in this county. Poor policies corruption, of course, and again, climate change has caused this so much. Even land grabbing again, because of the land we have, is diminishing. My administration has put in place policies that aim at creating more equitable food systems. Farmers in the county are being empowered by making available fruit, seedlings like avocado, hash avocado, enabling smallholders farmers to start cooperatives to aggregate farm produce for continuous supply of food and provision of cold rooms for preservations. This context-sensitive techniques and equipment have significantly boosted productivity. My government has enacted policies such as right to food policy and the Gusii County food safety policy. And I thank the former Member of Parliament, Mr. Neto from here in Migori, who helped us to really come up with this policy. It's worth nothing that the population of Gusii is growing steadily and is estimated to be 1.2 million with 308,000 households. To meet such heavy demand for food, we have employed agripreneurs to provide technical advice to the farmers and encourage them to be in farmers-led circle for collective efforts in food production and financing. Ladies and gentlemen, as per the requirement of Food Agricultural Organization FAO, my administration is addressing food and agricultural issues through action plan and more investment in agricultural development. To mitigate on soil acidity, in 2023, I initiated the Gusii County Soil Testing Clinic. So far, we have tested over 10,000 soil samples from all over the county, and we are following up to ensure that the farmers undertake soil treatment for the sake of improved crop production. The results out of the tests that we had, it showed that 60% of land, our soil is acidic. We want to see if we can be able to get enough money to put into budget. We see if we can buy lime to help our farmers to solidify the soil for better yield. To help diversify on nutrition, the Department of Agriculture has come up with more innovative ways on how to propagate fish farming in Gusii County by use of fish bonds. I have my daddy's bonds, there are around 3, and I've made sure to be the first farmer. They must be rehabilitated and be showcased to my people of Gusii County. On value addition and marketing, we have initiated the banana and avocado processing plant at Gusii ATC. This is aimed at increasing both shelf life and value of our farm produce, resulting in high income for our farmers and creating jobs for the youths. Through the National Agriculture Value Development Program, NAFCBD, we are supporting farmers to form commodity marketing groups and cooperatives in order to enhance their access to market, inputs, and finance. Ladies and gentlemen, you had written a very long, but I'm coming to an end, don't worry. In recent years, we have faced numerous economic challenges that have affected both how we produce food and how we consume it. This impact not only threatens our food security, but also collective prosperity. Just to mention a few, they include long fumigation and productivity, rising cost of agricultural input, climate change and unpredictable weather, limited access to market, high population density and land use pressure, decline in cash crop and income devastation, consumption pattern and rising food costs. The above listed economic impact on food production and consumption in Gusii County are complex, but they are not beyond our capacity to solve. With this right investment, policy and collaboration among farmers, leaders, government, and partners, we can overcome the challenges and ensure a future where every family has access to affordable nutrition food. In conclusion, I would like to thank the Department of Agriculture, our stakeholders who have come to display farming material, equipment, and latest innovation farmers, and all those who contributed in one way or other towards making this World Food Day celebration a success. Thank you, and God bless you. Ngani ntoboli monto bwati oboli mubwalire oboli moboke tobwate ngitoko bokolera a program eyo Mheshimiwa William Ruto abwate igoro ya affordable housing asera abengi yapi Gusii otherwise emyaka egocha no ane ndagara yokoli ndokole tiki ntobwati ekyabo oboli mubwakolere wali nande buli bororo ebubwate asidi mbono tolengere tinga kitoko beka chibe sanke ase a budget tororo sento kolege ndikoro kolime tobae mosumekere nali esumweli raselira ba agendes na begete aba science baito bali ba koligere ligoro yo yeliraba bakanyora nga 60% yeliraba leto elibwate esum koruo so buwe konya toko beka esenge njokole mamono no ane yogoto waka igo again take togenda to keligere ndinga create department ya agriculture, the CC, the CEO, kando na wale ambao wako wanaamini kwamba your day will be a success. I'm happy, hata mimi si kuamini kwamba ingekuwa success, lakini I'm happy kwamba farmers are here. Next time we must arrange and don't bank on those people who give false promises. Next time nataka kwamba uwanja huu unajaa. Sasa yeah, asante munga nchire nkole ngotewe abantu aminto esabali tobwate nentambe twarule ale emyaka ebere yetire negisegi cyoka cyarengewe Gusii County mumanye tibo noyo mulengo turwani mono lero ko bali impeach the Senate mumanye de muntu kyoyi mudage dabe impeach Molideke maana tige Senate ya koleki ekoligansi ya egendekemo kisegi mpaka no ina masasi yage tu mumroli wage turi sas bugrango anagitaga kwa agatiga abana abaki abamura bali baite tuga iga abande oyo mongo aite tuga iga oyo ndaba gaitaga iga Kiogoro tiabarale bya konyore serikali ya beirembe abasikali konyora bairira ensemeyemo batagita amanyinga lakini Nyasaye nomya God is good all the time. Nyasaye obero myestore kisegi chinde chigendret nyemoko igore TV mambya Citizen emoko nyoro muntu oyo mu ukwana bobe igoro mpaka yenyagitari yetoga mumaide muntu kyoyi omuntu okwanira byaga muntu kyoyi muntu ki ngo kuminga ki omuntu ya ukwana igoro nya ogenderero nyagitari no twalingi ni ambassador aiga abana ebalenge bali bakwiburu abana 30 abana 15 baingoko lero ogende nyagitari gaiga abana bonse bakwiboruma gotatiga bali bago tumukuru isiko baje koligyo cheki woro umwana atari gukoro koru toire serikali abantu baingoko nyagitari gaiga abantu abanene baingoko 25 wiko 27 lero litko irimondiro rumonta atakwete nyagitari kurutoire serikali karana chitororo ngaseli omuntu olengo ororo olengo mwibi nkamose nkamdegendo ruali baimokire bamuligiri bamdenga na bono genda kurubo basi oboli no na echikoro kubororo ororo no osaleli sim ngotenga mwibi to kunyara gotinna mutu yane neba nekero echikura abantu bati nini abantu bago amanyi ngawite kama
Lera matukaya abantu bagukun no more dates kitokwa no abantu batano babere nabo bale bakuba bange pi nyakitalima kuru 25 yani abantu baganyete ngakiba kuiba kibesa manga Simba wangire watu wachitenda embwata bakungu batano batatu nje nako tetinyo bakungu iko ngobwata abana bange nga Simba akorage nkorage nga ngokorage osengwa ipimete chinguru tali boyo igo batebi nga mbakwana korumambi na nje nkwane mbakwana korumambi mpaka marawe seti bago sali elieta batagete abanyaktari bakomoya enyaktari yeta abantu bakorifa kurisiko kuruma be Migori Bomet Kericho Narok Nyamira nali bataje bono nguminga umuntu no murayole enia yawo neririye oburayi kwaiwe nganya kitari ogende mariyogo tayo amariyogo naroba enkoiba dera iliyogo gende gaiga elirabole eliyogo ndiro lakini ndete ntebe tinda akora nabayi no embaro na swende na barabu obisi abande na abaseli karibu bane mbachiye bosimo non sekena barabu esenge njira basani bana aya aye senge njonye isolengi gento getekere nense otige naba bantu abanda abake nabarabanyora abana babo kaba beburuke mo goto kolie siro likoruiso nyoko moto kolie siro limolengeringa ntogokira maite nageje tugu umuntu akungakire simi abandi na governor egerenge equip creative umuntu ya ukwana igorobo beyiro yenyagitari rere ichire 700 bed capacity is full ngaki abantu batarata makuroro erenge sengenja Nairobi sengenja mekole elia enko koira machororo embeo na ateneniri ekera no konya bakonya chibesa banywera amaru umaite jibane chinyingi kyasiye kubosongoga osubane mudato gandre ko igora jipa baibe moko bakana nimba tebe abantu bamintobo limibwaino ntwagambire ne mwaka nale nara kurbonchali ali nara bagosi chinyeni bachipakibya nintegete lenga kinga kiko nyare kantugambe ne kigaba na kiri ase drought yekoba na northeastern torenga ekero gya drought ekero bakoireru ebituma kera ndwa bituma na ndi twabayirira chinyeni twabaone osebona igo abantu aminto ebante ebinga nonye Sudan ngogenda bale I want to confirm nko making sure chinyeni chetu ekera ngo bandline oboli monali borabo boronge chinyeni chetu no en paka Sudan abo chiko gendoro abantu bali kera bante bakuli nyama yokali mbabwa timbra mnani nali abana baragende school omwelio abantu baminto na chitenkanyora nga basari tiale ngoro matukaye basari nero abana ngoenda bale school ka kichibesa nchiba chinke lakini ndate ko bashwa kogenda gochimotwa abana kiru mwana lazima agende school boy bibo kembororo remekora nero rombwate meke nunganjire eba wake lyogi nalinda siria focus lakini focus ndio horaki tindigo siri ninde determined mwanchemba muleke toko genda gojumoto omwelio abana bayino ba call the form 4 gaki onyemba chete university nintagete to change chapter abana batachete university babwate C-, D+, D plain, D-, abana abo no E nintagete as vocational training cheto chons Chonspi 59 abana bagende barejestoro na decide kobeka chibesa nabegete 25 million na ende nkanyora montegere na ekanabeka 25 million ebengi ya Kenya Commercial Bank nere kanga 25 million shi abana bako educational training center igo tuanze recruitment to basagoti ko mwana isiko ngana call the form for akabu nintake tagende na akora no Emanson na akora no eba pending ko linge chumenge nche gose kwagacha esegege ko era ya Israel mwino gaiga mbaga nete abantu kirwi 10 baoje okora obwagachi inse kosento tuma abana baitu bagendo igo sababu te abana baokora ngane pipiyo kabako gende yahya chibesa ntwe wiki eli bali mwa watch TV na ansire mambi KCB ngo isaransfal n'abantu bane barose program bakanire especially day school nywedene kiri bisatu nabongo bakanira kali bonspi totakole tuboigo ningora tokonye onde tayo emekole mengere gaiga erengere tinga kiengo nyono 25 million iyo ena na chenusu echikuragirira bakungu baye ose nainu abandi ga na bakungu babantu mole nainu mokwira abane school ndaitendigire gagwe egendo kyomo elio tuanze recruitment osigo chora abantu banyari bali masaba bobasi ya ruguru na umachoge ya ruguru asama uga ngusume kukale na ndo ndwenzi otageti mu ambassador ntwe wana neregaiga na ntebi abali bibane bairike asogo sume kama uga ekamba nere Kentago egochicha ejekoena na embegu ya mauga akogenda amauga nara korosi eliogo lia wakachinyeni ensengima igo mbaga netea 100,000 farmers lakini na promised nintake tendoro se ninyole 50,000 korugusi bali moko rwalia nkoina natoleke melike lire matuka nkelike liegeke ba nyolireke melige tambe ogotora otaligo koraki boikumba igo kegocha inuna balimi nintagete moirike torego sendonyo chibese chikuru America n'abantu ne ambassador yantebi bale tayari gokonya abantu baitu igento kyo mwelio tigandabo mbalenga bakuru nyari bali masaba nyari bari borabu bashoban kai bali ninkoroje baba